Maybe use the phone. Mama, why are you using this one? Why you are not using? You can show your face and talk about it.
Yeah, it's because that one only takes a little bit.
5 minutes.
Mommy can do coding, I can do writing, Mommy can do dishes, and Daddy can do work.
Well, everybody, welcome to DJ and Annie. So the first thing you have to learn is you have to press Shift and 1. So then you can have an exclamation mark. Don't click down, otherwise it'll only show the doc type. And what you need is the tags and the doc type, so you only need one. The first one. So then everybody, you gotta look. Okay, so everybody delete document in your title tag. And I'm right now in my title tag. The first thing you have to do is write FSTCLAS. So then, and then everybody write H1.
Now you can show me that nail polish.
Write H1 and then press enter. Then you gotta write THIS. This is my class. Okay, everybody? And then second thing, you gotta write P. And then press enter. Then you gotta write this is my first coding class.
Okay.
This is the one?
Yeah. So which one you want?
And then everybody, you gotta write H2. And then write your name. And then press Ctrl S on your keyboard. Now you gotta click here, then press Live Server, then press Install. But for me, it says Uninstall because I have installed it already.
Don't touch me that way.
Okay. So then install it. Then once you have it here, then press index.html, press this, and then it'll say open with live server here. And then click, and wait for a moment. I might have to do it a couple times because I'm slow. Oh, seriously, it went out. Now, seriously. I guess it didn't work. And now here it is. Everything you want. Guys, if you want to make, and everybody, that is your first class. Bye-bye.